Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Ariana Grande in her We Can't Be Friends music video. So let's get started. To draw cute Ariana, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across, say about this way, and draw another circle. There, so my two circles in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now I have our eyes in. Let's come to the sides right here, and we're going to spruce them up with some long, beautiful lashes. Maybe just two of them. So one longer one and then a slightly shorter one. There. And then we're going to come up, say about right here, and we're just going to draw her brow. So I'm just going to draw a soft arc. And same thing on the other side. So I'm making it slightly higher because Ariana has this cute little white decoration over her eye. So when you're coloring it, you just color it right here. But I don't want to use a Sharpie because that would totally not make it look very good with the black. So then from there, let's draw her cute smile. So about right here, give her a sweet smile and then cap it off. There. Then from there, let's draw her face. So I'm going to use the top of my eye as my guide right next to these lashes. Give myself a point. Same thing here. And we're going to basically draw the bottom of a U coming down. So go around the eye. And then, let's see here. Let's say about right here. I'll give myself a point just so it's easier for me to see where I'm going. Since I'm drawing pretty big, but if you're drawing small, you can just go ahead and bring down a curve. So definitely turn your body or the paper. So come here and then a little bit pointier, round off a chin area and then bring it back up. There. It's always the most delicate part for me to draw this part right here. Okay, so finally we're done with that. Then we're just going to imagine her head as an oval shape. So let's say about right here. I'll give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve coming down. Oops. To connect everything. And same thing here. So we're just going to give her that clean ponytail look, so no strands on her head. There, so nice round oval. Then from there we're going to find our center about right here and we're going to go up. Her hair split in the center, so say about right there. But before we finish, I almost forgot. Let's come back about right here and let's draw her ear. Bring that curve and then about right here just add in a little earring and some details in her ear. So same thing on the other side, about right here. Bring it down, and before you finish it, just add a circle. And once again, same thing for the inside. Then from there, we can go ahead and then come right here and here. Then we can finish off her hair. So let's go up, and then we're going to bring it down and in. There, so same thing over here. Just angle a little bit and then start to bring it in. There. Then from there, we're going to come to the top and I'm just going to give her a band. I know you don't really see it, but we need to give her a ponytail. So I'm Just going to use this as if it's tied up really high. And we're going to bring ponytail to her side. About here. And I'll finish the rest later. Let me draw her body first. Oh, and I also almost forgot. Then come back in here. Some strands for her hair. Okay, so just remember when you're coloring, just to give it that little white decoration on her eye. Right there. So then from there, let's draw her body. So I'm going to come back into the center area. So let's say about here and here. Give her a little neck. And then we need to draw this little scarf for her outfit. So we're going to cut it off with a curve. And then I'll wobble it down. Same thing here, just wobble down. And then about right here, I'm just going to curve, bring it down, and curve back up. And then for some detail, lightly draw a curve right there. I know it's so small, right? And then we can continue her shoulders down to about right there. And then let's see here, let's bring this part down for her top. We're going to bring it nice and low, so towards the center, and go right back up. And then we can come about right here. We're just going to cut it off, make it a little bit simpler. Bring it down at an angle, and then keep going. And give her a little waist. So then about right here, I'm going to bring it in for her top. Just curve it in and then round it off. There. And let's see here. And before I forget, I'm going to come back in here and add her necklace. Just put a little circle right here and back. So then for her top, and then we're basically done with that part, let's add her skirt. So I'm going to come right about here and pop out her skirt. And let's bring it down so it's a cute little mini skirt. Let's say about there, the same height on both sides. Then I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. But before I finish that, let's come back, let's cut it off right here for the band on her skirt, and then find the center about right here. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that there's a pleat right here. And connect it. And same thing here. And then whatever space you have, just connect it again. And right here, add a line for some detail. I'm not sure if there's another pleat here, but it looks like there's something. So I'm just gonna add these two little angles right there for some detail. Okay, so then from there we can go ahead and draw her legs. So we're just gonna have them straight down and then her feet kind of angled in. So just imagine her hips coming about right here, her legs, and about right here. So I just work on this side first. And I'm just going to get thinner as I come down to say about right there. And then same thing here. So about right here. And here. Okay, so now that we have that, let's work on this side. So we're going to cut it off with this wide V, bring it around, and then let's keep going down. These long boots. So let's say about right there, we'll start to bring it in. And same thing here. So let's bring this down all the way. It's gonna get a little bit thinner, and then about right there, straighten out, and then just connect it. There. Nice long boots, right? So same thing on this side. There. Okay. And then there's some really cute decorations on her boots, like these hand-painted flowers. A band here. So I'm not sure. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead very lightly. There's some flowers here. Another one here. Here, and then it's connected with these cute little leaves. There. So same thing on this side. There, so not to add too many details, but something like that. Okay, and then from there we can finally, I'll come back before I forget, sorry. And add some creases right here for her top, and then for her arms. So I'm gonna come right here and pop out her sleeve, so a little bit poofier. And we'll bring it about right here, her armpit area, bring it in, and cut it off. So let's work on this hand. I'm just going to bring it down to about right here. So I'm going to angle it out, bring it down, past her skirt, and about right here, draw her thumb, round it off for her fingers, and just go ahead and connect and thicken up everything. So out, and about right here for her elbow, and in. There, so delicate. Okay, so then on this side, it's almost the same, except I thought it'd be really cute for her to be holding the cute little teddy bear from her video. So let's do that. So about right here, if you want to do that. So same thing here. Poof it out. Connect it, and then here we go. So start on this side first. It's all going to come down to about right there. I'm going to go around her skirt. And here comes the little delicate part. So about right here, I'm going to angle a little bit. And let's bring this down. The elbow area, bring it in. About right here where her hand is, we're going to angle this out as well, and then we're going to come right here, angle, and then this is where her thumb is going to go. So we're going to angle it out, curve, and bring it back in. There. I know it's this weird shape, but we just want to draw in this space right here, this thumb that comes out, and then right here we're just going to add a little teddy bear's hand right here, and then we can go ahead and in this space right here we're going to put in the head. So everything is going to be at this angle, so I'm going to try my best here to draw the teddy bear's head. Ooh, a little flat. I'm going to try to make it a little bit higher. Okay, a little bit better. And then we're going to add the ears right here and here. So this is the hand that comes here. And then the other part of the arm's going to come here. And then this is the body. So I'm just going to drag it down right here and cut it off. So the two arms. And then we're just going to slump our teddy bear body a little bit and come towards the center. There. I know it's a little complicated, but hopefully I'm not making it too hard. Then right here, we're just going to cut off the little shirt that our teddy bear is wearing, little hoodie, and I'll put a heart right here. And let me come in here real quick. Make the head a little bit taller. Okay, and then now we can go ahead and right about here in the center, a little nose and two eyes for our cute little teddy bear. And if you like, you can put in a little mouth right there. And that is oh no, actually I haven't even drawn her hair yet. So then let's come back right here. I'm going to curve, maybe give it a little bit strand and bring it in and just tuck it in. And then right here, if you want to make her hair really full, you just maybe put a little curve right here for the other side. Oh, and before I go, I just realized I need to finish it up right here. 3 little lines for some details on her blouse and a little curve above each eye for our teddy bear. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Ariana Grande from her We Can't Be Friends music video. I really hope you love how this turned out and it helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.